yung first topic natin is entitled Derivative of Hyperbolic Functions. So, ito po yung ating mga formula. As you can see po, pag tinatawag nating hyperbolic, meron lang po siyang karagdagan na h sa ating mga trigonometric functions. So, therefore, wait lang po saglit, open ko yung ating file, yung nag-topic tayo ng trigonometric chain rule, 'di ba? So i-compare natin yung kaniyang formula kasi sabi ko, 'di ba? Ang different lang sa kanilang dalawa is ang kanilang sign. Yung sign lang na sign. Okay? So as you can see here, dito po sa ating chain rule, trigonometric function which is not a hyperbolic, meaning wala siyang h no sa tabi. As you can see, meron siyang h dito. No, ang different sa kanila is yung sign, no? So sin u maging negative, sin u maging positive cos. Si cos magiging negative sin. Si tangent positive magiging positive pa din second. Si cotangent is magiging negative. Where okay, so padayon ta second is positive, second u tangent of u. Si cosecant is magiging negative. So, sine positive, tangent secant is positive. Si cosine, cotangent, and cosecant is magiging negative yung kanyang differentiation. So, how about this one? So, dito po si sine, cosine, and tangent, silang tatlo, ang kalabasan nila na derivative is positive, si cosecant, secant, and cotangent is negative. So, the same po yung kanilang formula, different lang po sila ng ating signs. No? Negative, and yung isa is positive. So, therefore po, paki-screenshot because from time to time mamaya, no, magtatanong ako sa inyo kung ano yung formula natin. So, yan po siya. Hyperbolic, ibig sabihin, meron lang tayong h sa final answer. So, ito po yung ating first example for this day. Now, f of x is equivalent to sine hyperbolic of 2x squared. So, reason po, what is our formula of the derivative of sine hyperbolic of u? So, for today, gawin natin beginner yung ating mga sarili. So, step by step. First thing is yung formula. Second is sino yung u. Raise hand po, what is our u here? 2x squared. And then, raise hand ulit, what is our u prime, di ba? Kasi kailangan natin yan sa formula. Yan. Thank you, 4x. Di ba? So, medyo mabilis na tayo in differentiating. Noon, no? Step by step, ginato si 2x squared. Makuha na to si 4x. No, medyo upgraded na tayo sa light, di ba? So, therefore, the derivative of our sine h 2x squared is equivalent to open and close parenthesis, lagyan natin, no? So, cosine of hyperbolic para sure yun ang answer. Then, u natin is 2x squared. Ayan. Then, close parenthesis, then multiplied by u prime, which is 4x. Ayan po. So, simplify lang po natin siya. Take note that we cannot multiply that one inside kasi trigonometric tayo. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is ilalagay natin siya sa front. 4x cosine hyperbolic of 2x squared. Ayan po. So, final answer. Okay? So, pwedeng ganyan. Pwede din tayong merong 4x, the cosine of hyperbolic, then open parenthesis 2x squared. So, that is just the same. Okay? So, napansin ko sa exam ninyo, merong mga mali kasi pag meron tayong operation sa inside, for example, 4x cosine of hyperbolic, 2x squared minus 1, dapat meron na siyang open and close. Kasi kung wala, parang, no, ito, minus 1. No? Medyo mahirap siya tingnan. So, therefore, if meron tayong operation, dapat naka-open and close siya. Para malaman natin yung minus 1 is kay 2x ba or sa kanilang lahat. No? Kaya, some of you merong mistake kasi walang open and close parenthesis. Okay? So, reminder lang po. Ayan. Okay? So, y is equivalent to tangent hyperbolic of x squared minus 1. Raise hand po, what is our formula for tangent? Yes, secant h squared u, then u prime. Therefore, same kanina, no? Let us treat ourselves as beginners. Therefore, u natin is x squared minus 1. And then, Raise hand po, what is our u prime here? 2x. Ayan. So that is 2x minus 0 kasi 0 na siya. So okay na yan siya. Okay? So nakuha na natin si u tsaka si u prime. So therefore, proceed na po tayo. Y prime is equivalent to second hyperbolic squared of u. U natin is x squared minus 1, close parenthesis. Tapos, u prime natin is 2x. Okay? So therefore, simplify natin yan, no? Hindi siya pwedeng i-multiply sa inside. So therefore, ilalagay lang natin siya sa front. Second hyperbolic squared. Then, x squared minus 1. Okay? So this is our final answer. So kagaya nito class, no? So if your answer here is 2x second of hyperbolic squared of x squared minus 1, no, mali siya. Bakit? Kasi pag ganito, ma-misinterpret siya na eto yung minus 1. So therefore, dapat lagyan natin ng open and close parenthesis. Alam din natin, for example, we have cosine squared or hyperbolic squared x. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, class, is silang lahat yung squared. So cosine hyperbolic x squared. So, if ilalagay mo siya na cosine hyperbolic x squared, ito lang yung squared, that is wrong. So, therefore, mali yan siya. Pwede to, tsaka pwede to. So, therefore, pwede din, ang final answer natin is 2x. Ito lang, no? Open parenthesis, second hyperbolic of x squared minus 1, then squared. Therefore, ito lang yung squared. So, that is just the same. So, that is our final answer. Okay, so let us proceed sa ating third example. So, ayan po, raise hand. What is our... Oh, wait lang. Okay, settle sa. What is our formula for cotangent, di ba? Cotangent hyperbolic of u. That is negative cosecant hu, then squared. Sorry, kulang lang squared, then u prime. Ayan. Okay, u natin, raise hand. What is our u here? So, 25x cubed minus 2. So, proceed tayo. What is our u prime? So, that is 75x squared. Okay, plus 0. So, our answer here is y prime is equivalent to negative cosecant hyperbolic squared of u. Ang u natin is 25x cubed minus 2. Then, close parenthesis. Then, u prime natin is 75x squared. Okay? So, therefore, simplify lang po natin negative multiplied by 75x squared. Diba? Kasi ilalagay lang natin sa front, magiging negative 75x squared. Then, cosecant h squared. Then, open parenthesis, 25x cubed minus 2. Diba? So, that is our final answer. Ayan. Okay? So, again, class ha, mali po siya if walang open and close parenthesis dito sa last part kasi ma-misinterpret natin siya as individual, si minus 2. Diba? Gets man siguro, no? Kaya kung inani man good, muna siya eto minus 2. Diba? So, ma-misinterpret natin yan. So, therefore, dapat merong open and close. Okay, so screenshot po. Proceed tayo sa ating next problem. So, for this one, ito medyo mataas siya. So, raise hand po. What is our formula for cosecant? So, therefore, same pa din tayo. Determine natin, raise hand. What is our u? Okay, thank you. Then, raise hand ulit. What is our u prime? Ayan, 3x squared. So, therefore, I think we're ready na. Ilagay na natin siya sa ating formula. So, this is equivalent to negative po, then open parenthesis, cosecant of hyperbolic of u, which is x4 minus x cubed plus 2. And then, cotangent, ayan, hyperbolic of x4 minus x cubed plus 2. And then, dili siya kasya, no? Okay? So, Ilagay natin dito. Ayan. Charo. Mawala yan. Okay? So, close parenthesis multiplied by u prime. Ang u prime po natin is 4x cubed minus 3x squared. Okay. So, therefore, bawal po siyang i-multiply sa inside. Ang gagawin lang po natin is ilagay natin siya sa front. So, therefore, this one is negative 4x cubed minus 3x squared. Ayan. Then, close parenthesis. Then, open parenthesis. Cos second. Naman ito i-copy dre. Experimenta. Ara. Copy. Okay. Ayan, no? Amazing. So, ayan siya. 'Di ba? So, nilagay ko lang siya sa front. Pwede din, class, na i-distribute mo yung negative sa inside. So, therefore, f prime x is equivalent to negative 4x cubed minus 3x squared. Plus na siya. 'Di ba? Plus 3x squared. And then, eto. Yung kanina. Okay? So, lagay natin dyan. So, pwede siyang ganyan at notice, class, that ginawa natin sa front is naka-open and close parenthesis siya. 'Di ba? So, na-notice ninyo. Kasi pag walang open and close parenthesis, parang ma-misinterpret siya. For example, negative, for example here, negative 4x cubed. Okay, so what if hindi natin lalagyan ng tawag dyan. Ito. What if wala siyang open and close parenthesis? Ayan. No? So, for example, negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared. So, mali po pag walang open and close. Bakit po? Kasi may misinterpret siya na si 3x squared lang yung multiply dito. 'Di ba? Dapat, eto, multiply dito. So, parang ganyan siya. So, kung walang open and close parenthesis dito, mali po siya. Kasi merong operation. 'Di ba? Okay? So, I hope that's clear, class. Ayan po yung mga common mistake natin. For this one, medyo mahirap siya. No? Medyo mahirap siya tingnan kasi we have two variables or we have two functions. Pero, apply lang natin yung mga topic natin last time. Okay, so our given is y is equivalent to x sine hyperbolic of x minus cosine hyperbolic of x. Ito po muna tayo mag-focus. As you can see, we have two functions, x tsaka si sine x. 'Di ba? So therefore parang multiply. That is product rule, 'di ba? So 'di ba pag for example x multiplied by something here, merong x pa din. So pwede mo siyang i-lagay, no, or i-multiply inside. But for this one, x tsaka sine hyperbolic of x, no. So therefore we have two quantities, kumbaga. Meron tayong dalawang functions. So therefore, ang gagamitin po natin diyan is product rule. So what is product rule? That is the function of x multiplied by the function of g of x. Kumbaga, one function and another function that is equivalent to the function of x multiplied by the derivative of the function of g, o yung second, plus the function of g, multiplied by the function of ating x, which is derivative. So, product rule, hyperbolic function. Diba? Combination ng mga past topic natin sa prelim. So, therefore, we can always use yung topics natin sa prelim. No? So, kadugtong siya, kumbaga. Okay, so, therefore, f of x natin dito is x. Diba? Then, yung ating g of x is yung ating sine hyperbolic of x. Okay, then sulat din po natin what is our formula for our derivative of our sine hyperbolic of u. Yes, that is cosine hyperbolic of u. Thank you. Then open and close parenthesis u prime. Okay, so therefore, Focus tayo dito ha, step by step talaga natin. First one is f of x. F of x natin is si x, so therefore y is equivalent to x. Y prime. And then g prime x, what is the derivative of this one? Sin x, eto po siya. So therefore that is cosine, that is sin, cosine siya. Cosine hyperbolic. So in this case, dito tayo ha, yung ating u is cx, yung u prime natin is 1. 'Di ba? Ito siya. Okay? So therefore, dito is cosine hyperbolic of u. Ang u natin is x, u prime natin is 1. Plus, ayan, g of x. So therefore, isulat natin sine hyperbolic of x because that is our g of x. Pagkatapos po, if yung f prime x, which is the derivative of our f of x. So what is the derivative of our f of x, which is x? 1. Okay, so that is equivalent to 1. Yeah? So nakita ha, in this answer, dito pa lang tayo nakafocus. So therefore, proceed tayo minus. So minus. Dito na tayo ha, minus. Then what is the derivative of cosecant of hyperbolic of c? This is c prime. Yes, thank you for that. So therefore, yung ating u dito, ayan, is x, di ba? And yung ating u prime is 1. Okay, so therefore, in this case, ito, ang answer natin is sine hyperbolic of x and multiplied by 1. Okay, so therefore, ang last step po natin is simplify. So therefore, as you can see, sine hyperbolic of x, no? Multiply by 1, so therefore, para mawawala lang to, 1. Sine minus sine, so same sila, cancel out, diba? 1 minus 1 is 0. So therefore, ang remaining natin is x cosine of hyperbolic of x. Ayan po. So, that is our final answer.